wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big pawns boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like flexing on the gram like hit the Lil Jon, okay.
Hi guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So this is my no eyeshadow makeup look, literally no shadow, no liner, and I am still off fleek. But yeah, I'm here to show you guys how I created this simple, super easy look. Remember, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, it is somewhere on the screen. What are you waiting for? Follow me, add me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. This is exactly like I said, this is supposed to be my everyday go-to no eyeshadow makeup look. So no shadow, no liner, just a flawless complexion and some glossy lip. This could be literally your everyday go-to look. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, it's your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. And also make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? Once again, it is somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. If you guys do have any video you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to comment it below in the comment section so I can create it for you guys or film it for you guys. Like I say at the end of all my videos, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in my next video.